So my name is Manil Palligurige. I'm 27 years old. I was born in Sri Lanka and I did my bachelor's in automotive engineering here in Melbourne. And then I was thinking that I need to study a bit more, and I looked into options and master's was the next. And I spoke with my migration agent, and he was the one who recommended EIT for my master's. I looked into it, went on the website, had a look around, and everything was all good, and applied, got in, and started beginning of this year in my master's for mechanical engineering. So yeah, I've been living and working in Australia for quite a while now, but I've been working as a mechanic for about last 10 months, I'd say. So yeah, it's been pretty fun balancing my work life and study. So, I was on the lookout to do my master's anyway in mechanical engineering, so I had a look around, and EIT was pretty good history of students and stuff like that. So yeah, it is a good option for me. It's been really good. Coming from my bachelor's was a bit more, I'd say, like very focused, where even if you miss one class, or like let's say you don't catch up on anything, you're going to struggle a bit. Whereas EIT, it's a bit easier because the lectures are pre-recorded, so I can go to work and then come back, watch the lecture the day before, take some notes down, and then go for the in-class tutorial, and then I'm all set. So even if the lecturer asks me any questions, I can give the answers straight away. So whereas the pre-recorded lecture is very easy because you can go back, rewatch it, and yeah. So and even the live tutorial is recorded. So it has helped me a lot, especially for software-based assignments where the lecturer explains the process. Obviously, no one can remember everything step by step, so you have the pre-recorded tutorial where you can go back, watch it, and do the assignment. I've loved cars ever since I was a little kid, so I've always told my parents that I always wanted to study in the automotive field, and for my bachelor's I did automotive engineering, and throughout my bachelor's I noticed that automotive engineering is quite similar to mechanical, but mechanical engineering is a bit more focused towards like heavy machinery, hydraulics, and automation. So I was a bit interested in that side because Australia, when you take the heavy machinery side, there's a lot of jobs in that field. So I slowly want to get into that field. So I just wanted to learn a bit more on the hydraulic side, automation side, and yeah. So I think it was in the first semester I did a course with Dr. Milind, and there was a software that we had to design circuits. That's the first time I've done it. It was really nice to get that experience, and yeah, so that's why I chose mechanical, to kind of learn a bit more into the hydraulics side. It's pretty easy. I'd have to say my favorite lecturer would be Dr. Milind, because this was the first time that I've worked with a lecturer who joined online and taught like the entire 12-week course online. And for someone to do a class online and get the whole class engaged and getting the work done, it's like a difficult task, but Dr. Milind managed to do it. It was very fun and interesting. He was always on his toes, made sure everyone was on the same page, and he did his best to get everyone's attention, and he did a great job at teaching us. I'd say I'd speak on behalf of the whole class. I'd say he was one of the best lecturers so far. So yes, Dr. Milind is my favorite. Yes, I've had quite I wouldn't say issues, but small problems that come up here and there as usual, and they've been there throughout helping. Just quick email, and then the reply on the spot, getting everything sorted. So yes, they are very punctual, and they get everything sorted as soon as possible, which is very good. Sometimes like you send an email and you have to wait a couple of days to get a reply, but the student office LSOs here, they are very quick, and they get everything done on time. So yeah, first figure out what you like to do, because engineering is a very broad field. You have civil, electrical, mechanical, automotive, automation. I can go on and on, but like do your research and pick what you like the most, and then go with that. Because some people, they say, oh, I might do electrical, but then a couple of semesters in, they're like, oh, this is not for me. But like, if you just to avoid that, the best thing is to do your research and then ask people who have already done their masters or bachelors, how the experience was, what they learned, how it has helped them who are in their work field. So best thing is to reach out, ask a lot of questions, because at the end of the day, it's you like who's doing all the work, and no one's going to do it for you. So you have to make sure that you get the most out of your either bachelor's or master's. So EIT is really good because they help you throughout, even if like you have issues with the subject or assignment or whatnot, they are always there. You're just one email away from getting help. Oof, one word. I'd say just amazing.